Hello to Pokemon card collectors new and old. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the value of a Pokemon card by using this card as an example. To start with, you need to figure out the name and the set number of your card. The name can be found on the top left of the card, while the set number can be found on the bottom left. As you can see in my example, the name of the card is Iron Treads EX, while the set number is 248 out of 198. For the next step, you need to determine if your card is a promo card or not. A promo card is a card that isn't achieved through standard booster packs, but instead from special events or products. All promo cards are denoted by a small black star symbol that would be next to the card's set number. For this example, we don't have such a symbol. Instead, we have 2 gold stars. Here is a promo card to serve as an example. As you can see in the bottom left corner next to the set number, there is the black star symbol. For the next step, we need to figure out our card's condition. There are 4 main categories, which are near mint, lightly played, moderately played, and heavily played. Near mint cards possess little to no flaws on the front or back aside from very minor whitening on the corners. In other words, they're good as new. Lightly played cards have noticeable whitening on the corners and edges, as well as possible minor scratches on the shiny hollow foil. Moderately played cards have serious scratches and whitening alongside minor creases or folding. Finally, heavily played cards have heavy amounts of whitening, scratches, and creases, as well as dirt and grime. With our example card Iron Treads EX, we can see there's very little flaws on both the front and the back. So, you can safely assume that this card is near mint. Next, get a computer and navigate to tcgplayer.com. This is a website that's owned by eBay and essentially serves as a digital marketplace specifically for trading cards. Once you're on the website, find the search bar in the top middle and enter the name and then the set number of your card. I'm going to use my example from before and I'll input Iron Treads EX 248 out of 198. If your card happens to be a promo card, then after the information you input, add the word promo to the end. However, in our case, our card is not a promo, so I'll exclude this. Once that's done, just click enter, and you'll see a number of options that come up. Based on the provided image and language of the card, choose the option that best matches your actual card. So in this case, the first one is closest to the art that I have. Once you navigate to the correct card, navigate to the top left of the web page and click on the drop-down button labeled Condition. Then, choose the condition that best matches your card. In our case, I'm selecting near mint. With this, we can finally find the price of our Pokemon card. Scroll down slightly and look for the section labeled Market Price. As you can see, our card is valued at $3.91. This website also has additional information such as the most recent sale price, pricing history graph, and a measure of the volatility of the card. I hope this tutorial helped you find the price of your collection, and I hope you have a nice day.